New camera, mate.
Yeah. New camera, new sound. Looking good for cooling. The start of our gearbox cover and prop shaft cover.
Stop you getting your legs wrapped up in there, mate.
Yeah, well, more like to be Dell's, isn't it?
Ah, I'll leave it off then.
Yeah. Well, the fans are cutting, that's a good sign. Temperature showing 50, so it's cutting in nice and early. Bit of paint on the doors. Chuck her back in, I guess. Original suspension housings, but we got no springs, no H-shaped arm that goes in it, and we've only got 2 of these and we need 4, so we're going to make Warren is going to make
Another job.
yeah, we're going to make something up that just looks like it's got suspension, but it hasn't, because these are all welded arms now, where they turned it into a bulldozer beforehand. And making them so they're independent, that ain't going to happen. But it's what it is. Well, we're going to try and attempt to take a link out of this bit of rotten track, see whether we can get it a bit tighter. Pull the track, the adjuster wheel back first. Well, this tooth's pretty shagged, it's got a hole in it, so I'm tempted to just cut them off and replace them with some we've got outside. It's probably easier. Could spend forever trying to get that off of there. And like I say, it's knackered anyway. You've got to sort of put it on the right place. That's it. It is moving because it's now flush again, whereas I beat it back and it fucking, well, pretty much flush again. I beat it back on. That's all I've been doing, is going backwards and forwards, thinking, well, eventually we'll just get the shit out.
Yeah.
Well, that's that. That's that off of there. What's left of it anyway. We've had to chop it out a bit, but whew. 3 more to go then, on this side. bar, so I have to do the same as the other side when we levered it. Oh, there you go, that's off that one. Bit more of a cunt to get off now. Hey, there you go. Watch it, it's hot, mate. It's really hot.
I'll leave that steaming.
I've had that glowing.
That was nearly my ningers.
Well done, mate. Another 2 more to go on this side. Right, that looks better. Just got to put a couple of wedge bolts in down there and she should be good till it breaks. Fuel cap on first. Go down a bit, slowly. Yeah, what's it like on that radiator on those forks? Can you tilt forward? Go on, Eric.
Just need to go back slightly. Radiator cap.
Oh, that's going to be bloody tight, that is. It's not going to happen, is it?
No, it's going to be too high. It's not going over the top of there, is it?
No.
So that's how a couple of washers put on it or something.
Well, don't know. All that needs dropping.
See you guys now because we forget to tell you later. I'm not eating this.
Well, I've got to get the bolt back there.
Gives the lid. Screw the lid on, that'll save us any spillages here, won't it?
I don't
I
know.
don't know if it's anti-freezed up or not.
Yeah, it is. Right,
We'll see it.
that's the radiator.
Yeah. GoPro, what's it? That's a pipe there, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, our expansion tank's a bit lower now, underneath the angle iron, so hopefully that should do it. A little bit more. Go on then, out you go. Is it enough? Oh yeah. Good enough, hey? That's the roof all bolted, or the bonnet all bolted down. We just got to get this bit of flat bar welded onto this plate, so we've got something to drill the bolts down for the next one, and then we'll do the same on the next plate. Looking good.
Not to earth.
Come on, Santa's little helper. You're more like one of those Christmas demons, Del. You're like one of those Krampus, yeah, Grinch. He goes down the chimney and robs all your presents.
There's the tanker's little helper.
Yeah. Well, just put the plates and drop on my foot. I might lower this forklift first, actually.
Yeah.
It looks heavy.
Bit more to go. Right, let's try these two rear panels. See how close we got them when we cut them up. Let's get this to the end. Let's get this to the end. Grab the other end of that, Del. Go on then, let's get it up there.
I'll be the naughty elf today.
You are always a fucking naughty elf. That'll do you. We'll get a couple of clamps. Get a couple of clamps and we'll slide it up there.
That's for normal clamp. Do you want to bring the forks in a little bit? It's got to go back a bit. But if it does decide it's going to have a drop,
At least it'll drop onto the fork. That'll do. There you go, new wheel stations for the M33/Grant project. Replace the knackered ones that we've got on the front. So a bit more stuff to do after Christmas. Get that Grant down here, lose this container, bring the Grant down here and change at least the front wheel stations on that. Cheers, Del.
cheers, mate. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It's all our viewers.
Ernie, the fastest milkman in West Sussex.
So something's winding away underneath, isn't it?
That's the milk bottles clattering.